Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a moving images in Capcut. So for example, click new project and then click one photo. I choose this photo to add and then click the clip and copy and just this one for as overlay, and then you can adjust for position like this and then click the overlay and you can adjust for scale like this and adjust for position as you like, and then remove background, tap remove background like this and then click overlay image, and then you can click keyframes and you swipe until the end and then click keyframe again, and you can adjust for position as you like this, for example. So this is the result. Okay, that's video how to make a moving images in Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.